Hi family, welcome back again to the channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to Natural's Growth Secret. And on this channel I do a lot of DIY on natural hair care videos showing you how to grow your hair using simple natural ingredients. I also do lots of DIYs on skincare and natural protective hairstyle. If this is what you love, please subscribe so you never miss our goodies. Thanks for watching. So today's video, I am making a nourishing hairspray which is filled with amazing antioxidants. It also reduces excessive hair loss. It also helps with boldness and it helps to exfoliate your scalp. It also darkens your hair texture. The caffeine in this hairspray does not strip your hair at all, but rather it promotes and stimulates hair growth. It also helps in blocking the DHT in both male and female hair follicles. It results in wider, longer hair roots. It prolongs the hair growth stage. That is why I love caffeine a lot. And we are going to be making use of coffee. Coffee has a lot of caffeine which help in hair growth. And we are going to be making use of 2 tablespoons of coffee. I am using a grinded coffee. And again, I am also going to be making use of flaxseed. So the second ingredient is flaxseed. Flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids. It contains vitamin B and vitamin C, which help to reduce hair fall as well. It also increases the hair growth. It makes it stronger. It moisturizes your hair, and also it helps you to detangle your hair. Flaxseed help your hair to become more manageable, especially if you have a thicker hair or if you have hair that is not easily more manageable. So you can use flaxseed. Like I am going to be using the powdered flaxseed, which will help to soften my hair the more, and it will make the coffee not to be too strong on my hair. Though coffee helps to minimize breakage, but adding flaxseed will help to make my hair more manageable because of the kind of the hair type that I have. So I am going to be adding in my 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder. You can use the flaxseed seeds. So I'm going to be leaving this for some hours. I left it overnight or so, but make sure to leave it for a longer time in order for everything to infuse properly, and your water will become more slimy because of the flaxseed, which will make your hair more softer. And the longer you leave it, the more better, because it will make it more softer. As you can see, the liquid is being slimy, which is very, very good, especially if you have fussy hair. So guys, I am done straining this after the next day, and this is what it looks like. Looking thick, smells nice because of the coffee. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe so you never miss our videos. So I'm going to be pouring it into my spray bottle, and then I will go ahead to use it on my hair. antioxidant that it offers. So guys, this hair tea or hairspray helps to tackle hair loss. It helps to treat your hair in different ways. After spraying it all over your hair, do not wash it out. You can use it as a hair rinse after shampooing your hair once a week, or use it any other day to hydrate or moisturize your hair as a leave-in, and then seal it in with a light oil or any hair balm. I'm going to be using my hair grease or my balm rather to seal it in, which help in preventing breakage and hair loss. So I will also be focusing on the ends of my hair like I am doing so, and also remove some hair shedding, and also massage my scalp. That is basically what I do. I spray my hair, I seal it in, I massage my scalp, I moisturize my hair. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. As you guys can see, compared to the part that I have not even treated, this part that I am focused in looks soft, looks good, looks healthy more than the rest. So make sure to focus on your ends as well, because the ends of our hair is the oldest part, and that part tends to break a lot and make you not retain length. So guys, as our hair is growing out of the scalp and we are taking care of our scalp, also take care of the ends of your hair, because the ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair. And whenever you notice split ends, make sure to cut it out, give your hair a trim. So there are different type of split ends, and the main split ends that I normally have is a knot. I am just going to be showing you guys a couple of split ends picture, what they looks like, because different people experience different type of split ends. Mine is knotting, like my hair knots a lot. It will just tie up together like rope. So I tend to always care for the ends of my hair. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Remember to stay blessed. Bye.